friends, this is the last class in which we will be discussing the adjustment in respect of subscription. In this question, we are given the receipt and payment account for the year 2019-20 and the subscription received is rupees 6,30,000. The additional information says that there are 2,500 members and each member is paying an annual subscription of rupees 250 per year. Annual subscription, that means the subscription is being paid on annual basis. So the annual subscription of each member is rupees 250. In this, we need not to do any sort of calculation, no plus, no minus, no outstanding of previous year or current year or advance, nothing. Just what we will do, we will multiply the number of members by the annual subscription per member and we will take the product to income and expenditure account. Means, as per income and expenditure account, the income from subscription during the year will be of rupees 6,25,000. But this question also requires us to determine the outstanding subscription for the current year. So for this, we need to make certain calculations. We will begin with the annual subscription. We will begin with the subscription given in the receipt and payment account. That is the subscription as per receipt and payment account, which is of rupees 6,30,000. Now we will subtract from it the figures that are not related to the current year, that is the outstanding subscription for the previous year, which is of rupees 7,500, and the advance subscription for the next year, as it has been given that the 20 members have paid advance subscription. So it will be 20 into 250, which is 5,000. We will subtract 12,500 from 6,13,000 and we will get 6,17,500. Now we have been given that the advance subscription received during the previous year was of rupees 4,500. That means this advance was for current year. So we will add this 4,500 to this amount and we will get 6,22,000. Now the outstanding for the current year will be the balancing figure because we know that what amount is to be taken to the income and expenditure account. तो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में जो फिगर हम लोग लेके जा रहे हैं दैट इज 6,25,000 as we have calculated earlier. So the outstanding will be of rupees 3,000. This will be the outstanding subscription for 2019-20. Hope the things are clear to you now. For any query, contact me at shreestudy@gmail.com. I am always there to help you in every manner. Thank you, friends. Hope the concept is clear to you now.